come to you and give opportunity to you. Okay, I give for you uh, for some money or some facility to you, give facilities to you to make your dream to be real. And then, but you have study in the department law. Yes, law of department. So what do you choose? You must finish your study, or you choose the opportunity, make your dream to be happen.
Yeah, sometimes some people choose work at department law. Choose, no?
You must choose what you must finish your study, or you choose to make your dream to be happen. What do you choose?
Yeah. If some people give me some money
Yeah, some facility.
for facility for make my
Your
dream,
business.
Yeah.
certain I choose yeah the two choose.
What?
It's a dream.
Yeah.
Your dream. Huh?
Make you make.
Why
your
I
dream
choose
happen.
why I choose because if you choose finish study, you don't know what happen after you finish study. But if you choose make a dream, sometimes you can now, and after that you can continue your study. That's right. The first you have a job, and the second you can continue your study.
That's it. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Mr.